So we got the Turtle Wax headlight lens restore. And if you just want the quick, fast, and a hurry, if you see this, go ahead and get it because it works. I just actually did just the first step, which is taking this compound and just rubbing it on the headlight, and it has already cleared that headlight up significantly. Just that first step. And this is what the headlight actually looked like new. Because on the passenger side, the headlight is good. The driver's side is where it has the oxidation at. Now what I'll do is, because I kind of did this off the cuff and I didn't have the foresight to actually show you, I'm going to go ahead and roll in a little clip showing you how the headlight looked previously. But trust me, it was very oxidized. And just this first step right here already done took a good portion of that oxidation from off of the headlight. Like if this was the final process after I've sanded, I would be happy with this. But just this first step, I already have it looking good. So let's go ahead and roll in that little clip showing you the headlight. And we'll go ahead and start working on this thing. And we'll make this quick, fast, and a hurry. We are not going to be long. And I really do need to get the oxidation off that headlight. So that might be my next car detailing video. Go around here to the side. So now that you've seen what the headlight looked like previously, let's go ahead and get to work. Let's go ahead. I'm going to put one more application of this compound on here and just buff it in. Then we're going to start sanding it. Just kind of put it on the headlight, get you a nice clean towel, and just kind of buff it into the surface. Now I'm mainly going to focus on this bottom part this time because that's where it's really caked up at. You can already see the difference. Just taking that first step and just buffing it into there. Let's go ahead and move on to the second step. Now we're moving on to phase 2, which is the green pad. And go ahead and start sanding it down. Now we're moving on to step 2. We're going to take the tan pad and we're going to go in the opposite direction. A little bit of stuff to blow away in the wind. And to kind of speed this process up, all you're doing is you're going to your third pad. So if we went right to left to start off with the first pad, the second pad up and down, third pad right and left, fourth pad up and down. And that's basically the process. So we'll go ahead and cut to what it looked like after we get everything complete. Alright, so we done went through the process, and I'm telling you, that thing looks fucking good. We went through all the pad process. Once you go through and you finish with your fourth pad, per the instructions, you put some more of your compound on there. You rub your compound in. So I'm going to take some more of the compound that I started off with. I'm going to rub that into the surface. And once you hit this with this right here, it's going to go ahead and seal the deal. All you got to do is just one more last little process. You're good to go. Let's go ahead and buff this in. My goodness, look at that right there. Look at that right there. It really fucking brought that headlight back. Compared to the other one that has no oxidation, you can still see a little bit of the yellow tint on there. But there is one more process that we do need to do, and that is this wipe right here. That's your base lens coat right here. But we're not going to go ahead and hit that up yet, because I want to go ahead and just touch the other one right quick. As you can see, this headlight really isn't that bad. This was the one that needed most of the work. But just where we at right now, I think that looks good right there. This was just a video just to kind of show you that if you're looking at that turtle wax, go ahead and buy it, man. The shit good, it works. It ain't no scheme, it ain't no scam, it ain't no gimmick. Go ahead and buy it and get your headlights clear. That's the end of this video. Y'all be blessed, be safe, man. I'm out.